Hi guys, this is Abir Khan and you're watching Anik Khan. This is day 52nd of our vlog, and in this video I'm gonna talk about a little secret. So the secret that I wanted to share with you guys is that I am making websites lately, and this is true. Yeah, you heard it right. I'm making websites, and the proof is right here. It is 8 past 2 in the morning, and I'm using Dreamweaver CS5 for making this website. So if you guys know me, I'm an electronics engineer, but I have a little bit interest of this web development. So one day I thought that why I'm not making websites, because there are millions and millions of them on the internet. So I had no answer to that, so I started to make websites. By the way, this is my first project, and this is a basic project that I'm doing for my friend, one of my very close friend. His name is Usman. I think you guys might have seen him some 20 days back in one of my vlog. So anyways, this is the first official website that'll be going online, so I'm pretty excited. But at the same time, I'll tell you guys another secret of this website, and the other secret of this website is that I have to complete this website within 48 hours, and it's 2:11 in the morning, and I am pretty excited about the website, but it is really hard to make one within just 48 hours. And so anyways, I am thinking to make my website as well. I won't be making it anytime soon, but I am planning to make it. So it might take some 2 months, but eventually I'll make a website for myself as well. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys want me to make a web page for you guys, just leave me a comment, and I won't be making a website for you because I don't have much time. No, seriously, I don't have much time. Just kidding. I might make a web page or a couple of web pages for you guys if you want me to. But these days I'm working on this project. Wish me good luck, because this is my first project, and this will make my reputation in the market, and this will make my mark in the market. So I'm pretty excited, but at the same time a little bit nervous about what I'm going to do next. So thank you guys for watching this video. It is 2:13 a.m. in the morning, and I believe that this is one of those days when you go to bed and fall asleep within 30 seconds. If you guys haven't watched my last videos, make sure to check out those videos, because I have put way more effort in those videos as compared to this vlog. So anyways, and thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.